In today's video, I will walk you through how to change or update PayPal password. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you want to improve the security of your PayPal account or replace your current password with a new one, this tutorial will guide you through the full process. This method is for updating a password when you still have access to your account. It is different from resetting a forgotten password. To get started, sign in to your PayPal account through the official PayPal website using your current login details. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive on your main PayPal homepage. At the moment, password changes are handled through the Account Settings section, so that's where we'll be working during this tutorial. After reaching the homepage, look toward the top area of the screen and open the menu section. From there, locate the settings icon, which appears as a small gear symbol. Select the gear icon to open your PayPal account settings. Inside the settings page, you'll see different sections related to your account profile, preferences, and security options. The section we need for this process is called Security. Go ahead and open the security settings to continue. Once the security page loads, you'll see several options connected to account protection and login management. Find the option labeled Password. This is where PayPal allows you to update your existing password and replace it with a new one. Before creating a new password, PayPal will first ask you to enter your current password. This is an important security step because it confirms that you're the owner of the account before any changes are made. Enter your existing password into the first field provided. Next, create the new password you want to use moving forward. After entering it once, you'll need to type the same password again in the confirmation field. Make sure both entries match exactly. If either field highlights or displays an error message, take a moment to check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or missing characters. While creating the password, PayPal may also show recommendations on screen. For example, it may advise against using personal information or passwords that are too easy to guess. Choosing a stronger password can help keep your PayPal account more secure and reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Once everything looks correct, continue with the option to change your password. After the update is completed, PayPal will usually sign you out automatically for security reasons. This is normal and helps protect your account after sensitive changes are made. You'll then need to sign back in using the new password you created. After logging back into your account successfully, the updated password will now be active for future logins. And that's how you can change or update your PayPal password. Thank you for watching.